Nice if we kill it now.
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, pulling in 3, 2, 1.
It's this guy bored you already. Why you want to kill him so fast? He's so fun.
So,
Doesn't matter how fast they are if there's nowhere left to run.
Yeah, Southland gets the strafe.
It may seem like these challengers have managed to meaningfully injure the Apex Vanguard, but
Contagion.
nothing could be further from the truth. We call this groundbreaking
Nephew
innovation
cleansed.
photogenesis.
Proto-genesis.
Even heavy artillery fire
it's photogenesis.
this degenerative power.
Oh,
Kill the lights immediately.
battery.
Destroy the central power transformer, then pull out the backup battery cell.
My English is very bad. In scan you can keep position. Yeah, nice, I see.
Immortal in the light. The Apex Vanguard is truly lethal at night. Ooh.
Nara, we need
Will be rockets.
Creature stands in darkness enhances its strength and lethality. Thanks to our
fuck's
patented
sake.
darkness over
Just said
darkness.
it.
He always, yeah, he always does it after,
Maybe you could use the backup battery.
Steve,
Photogenesis, darkness,
Steve,
and
don't
alternator.
use flare after it. I'll go to charge.
Contagion plus rockets in 5.
4, 3,
Steve, don't use flare. I'll go
one.
charge.
Ready,
Cleanse. Speedline F, go for teams. I'm going to charge.
Oh, I need a cleanse on there. Thank you.
Cleansing?
Charging now.
Didn't take my input, sorry.
Nice, fine. Rockets.
Dale, predation.
Tired of throwing the kitchen sink at Jedi only to have him throw it right back?
Get the battery to the air filtration system now.
With our innovative new Crimson Venom aerosol, you'll have them try to use the force
Disrupting
to
Venom.
push away the very air they breathe.
Okay, ints go for your teams now.
Rockets.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How far for contagion?
2 seconds.
1 sec.
Okay.
Ten, 9,
I'm washing now.
7, 6, 5,
This was
Rockets.
3,
I'm going to
Two.
charge.
1.
Charging.
Moving clear.
5, 4,
No more missiles.
3, 2,
Ints, predation.
We sure are. That's why every Apex Vanguard comes equipped with state-of-the-art
10,
multi-target
9,
guided
8,
missile batteries.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh yeah,
Two.
missiles.
You can
1.
recharge it in the central transformer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, 5 seconds
5.
behind.
4,
I'm going to
3,
charge. Steve's
2.
cannibal.
1.
Go on the fence.
Charging now.
I am definitely on the
5,
opposite
4,
side.
3,
You take less damage on the,
Contagion.
opposite, on the right side.
The predation.
What?
There are
Nice.
just ints.
Hardened targets? No problem. Every Apex Vanguard is equipped with our signature Apex Voltinator. This latest
When did I take
Sticks your flares ready.
deploys a defensive
Did I take all or 6 on it?
virtually
Take 6, okay.
impossible for attackers to interfere.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
halfway round room.
Okay. Neff and Speed go to take steams.
Okay.
4 each. Venom.
Contagion plus rockets, so...
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Fool. Full. Okay, cleansing. Nef.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm
1.
going to charge 6. Don't put flare. If you can pull me. Oh, I see. Flare already. Okay, don't go into charge here. Oh, was nice. You just forcing it.
There's a contagion near
I'm
the stims. Be
Is erupting. Now inspiration. Going to charge. After it I will wash.
7 stacks.
10, 9, 8,
Wait.
7,
alright.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The operation.
Styx just loves this boss so much she wants to keep progging it all night.
Yeah. I'm washing now.
Seconds to contagion.
Anyway, I'm washing now.
It's fine.
Contagion on the right, yeah?
Yep.
Net cleansed.
Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alternator.
Other stims or?
There are 2 steams. I'm going to make 2. I mean, I'm going to make flare, so take steams which there.
Yeah. I'm predating.
Thank you. 6 I'm going to charge. Don't put flare yet. Thank you. Charging.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Venom.
1.
Well, if you want shield gem.
Inspiration. Ejecting battery.
Maybe if Styx
coming.
have to take Claire.
Rockets and contagion.
Okay.
Contagion now.
Not ready, Rin. Not ready. Ready.
Cleansing. I was
Thank
just
you.
a bit far away. Sticks to flare 35.
5,
35%.
4, 3,
Rockets in 5.
2, 1.
Should be the leech, right?
31%.
Soon.
Anyway, I'm washing now. I'm going to charge because can't wait. Nice. Inspiration. Thank you.
Rockets. Oh no, no rockets.
And
The
Sorry.
disrupt.
highlight.
Highlight wheel.
Sorry.
Rockets, no rockets.
Deluge.
5,
I'm charging now.
4, 3, 10, 2, 9, 1, 8,
Is this it is
Seven,
or don't stand the answer?
5, 4,
Yeah,
3,
now it's
2.
contagion.
1.
Nefertiti.
Yep.
Cleansed. Inspiration. Gen. Need to survive.
Rockets.
Went in Venom.
No rockets on this one.
5,
20%.
4, 3, 2,
Disrupting
1,
target
10,
locked. Going to
9,
charge.
8,
Do you have enough
7,
stims?
6,
I have
Last
enough.
switch.
I got
5,
4.
4,
Speed
Oh,
love,
no.
speed love, fuck.
2.
What's in it?
That's right, we're
One.
good, I got it.
Give alternator. I'll just big damage, guys.
Ins, you don't have steams?
No. Use
Where,
them all.
where are you? Go.
That's the boss.
Go, 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 Ins. Go, damage.
Big damage.
Nice.
I swear to God, man, this boss fight.
Asian.
Ready, Rin.
Inspiration. And Nef. Wait.
I need a wash soon.
Yeah. Cleansing Nef.
Thank you.
Getting place.
I'm going to.
Five, 4, 3,
I'm
2,
going to watch.
1.
No, I'm
Venom.
doing Venom first and after it watch.
We're gonna move out of the acid or?
Yep.
Going to watch. Going to watch.
Deluge just this time.
I'm watching now.
11%.
That one's gone. We should do that was gone.
Sticks pull me. Charging now. I should still charge.
9%.
We'll last stage soon.
Inspiration.
5,
Contagion.
4,
Vision.
3, 2.
He's not in flare, I guess. Oh no, he's in flare. Nice. Cleanse him.
He is, yeah.
11%.
Tell them he's in last stage.
10, 9,
Pop the missiles, pop the missiles.
7, 6,
Last stage.
Last ditch.
Shot stitch.
4, 3, 2, 1, 5,
Yeah.
4,
Something's gonna die.
3,
Oh no.
Taunting.
1.
You're kidding me. Zone defense.
Jesus
Don't
Christ.
rest, just kill. Heal.
I don't think I can heal for this.
You've got 300k. 100.
Okay,
One hit.
90k.
Right. Oh no! Damn! Good job!
hero.
Good job! Good
What
job,
a
Theo.
hero.
Yeah.
Someone out on record that. Oh my god.
Right,
Good
now
job,
Reza.
Theo. Wow. My God.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Even if it's just
How did I survive that actually?
How many hits did you
It
take?
was a wipe, yeah.
I think I had my save ward up, so I think I got lucky with it.
Is it supposed to do zone defense in?
No.